sleep with one eye open and half their brain? Dolphins sleep in a very different way, not like we humans do, as they must still continue to climb up to the surface to breathe. Humans have prolonged periods of unconscious sleep, and we are not aware of our surroundings for periods of time while sleeping. And when we sleep or become unconscious, we continue to breathe automatically. If, like us, dolphins went into a deep unconscious sleep, they would stop breathing and suffocate or drown. I'm Anu. Welcome to my channel Anu Info Media. To get around this, dolphins only allow one half of their brain to sleep at a time. The other half stays alert to enable the dolphins to continue breathing and look out for dangers in the environment. Dolphins only close one eye when they sleep. The left eye will be closed when the right half of the brain sleeps and vice versa. Young dolphins eat and sleep while their mother carries them directly behind their slipstream, also known as the wake, which move the calf at the same speed as the mother, requiring less energy from the calf. Mom can't stop swimming the first few weeks of a baby dolphin's life. Otherwise, it will sink and drown because it doesn't have enough body fat to float. Good thing mom's able to sleep on the move. There are other animals that also sleep in this way. Mudlet ducks, for example, they sleep in rows. The ducks at the end of the row keep one eye open and keep an eye out for any predators. The ducks in the middle of the row would sleep with both eyes closed, even with half of their brain asleep. The ducks were able to respond to the movement of a predator within a fifth of a second. Dolphins aren't like fish, which can breathe underwater. They are mammals. That means they must get to the surface to breathe air. They can only hold their breath underwater for about 7 minutes. So, how do these watery animals sleep? They simply shut one eye at a time. This type of sleep is known as unihemispheric sleep or cat napping. Human respiration is about 12 to 20 breaths per minute. Each dolphin breath is bigger than ours and their red blood cells carry more oxygen. So, they don't need to breathe as often. dolphins, for example, can stay underwater for up to 10 minutes. When sleeping, dolphins often rest motionless at the surface of the water, breathing regularly, or they may swim very slowly and steadily close to the surface. In the shallow water, dolphins sometimes sleep on the seabed, rising regularly to the surface to breathe. Newborn dolphins and killer whales do not sleep for a whole month after birth. New research has revealed, and neither do their mothers, who stay awake to keep a close eye on their offspring. The surprising sleeping patterns of captive killer whales and bottlenose dolphins in their early months of life were observed by a team led by Jerome Mtstery of the University of California. Unlike all animals previously studied, which maximize rest and sleep after birth to optimize healthy growth and development, the cetaceans actively avoided shut-eye. The idea that sleep is essential for development of the brain and body is certainly challenged. Dolphins are so intelligent, they can learn to speak a second language in their sleep. Captive dolphins in Port Saint Pierre, France, have been recorded sleep talking, but bizarrely, as they rest at night, the aquatic mammals are not making dolphin sounds but whale-like noises. The dolphins have only ever heard a whale sing on the soundtrack to their daily shows at the French aquatic park. The noise suggests that the dolphins could be practicing their daily shows in their minds at night. The topic of dolphin intelligence is a never-ending source of wonder, and according to recent studies, the animals appear to know more and remember more than we thought. Working with a bottlenose dolphin named Tanner, researchers found he was able to imitate behaviors even when one of his senses was blocked. When they tried to mess the dolphin up by blindfolding him and putting a human in the water, they saw a whole lot more echolocation going on than when he imitated another dolphin. This is exciting because Tanner could imitate the human without any learning at all. Science also found that dolphin stands for information between the two hemispheres of their brain. Are you excited or are not? Let me know in the comments down below. Fade away, as you fade away.